of Santo Tomas has launched a book that seeks to immortalize the memory of the papal visit to the country last January. Let's hear the full report from Ara Perez.
5 months after the historic state and pastoral visit of Pope Francis to the Philippines, the country has yet to recover from the so-called Pope fever. The University of Santo Tomas launched a coffee table book to etch the memory of the first state and pastoral visit of Pope Francis to the Philippines. UST Rector Father Herminio Dagohoy said the book is an act of gratitude of the university to all the faithful successful and serene visit of the Pope to the country. Dagohoy said there is utmost joy in looking back at a memory. But what will be Father Dagohoy's favorite memory of the Pope during his visit?
I think it's obviously the two kids. I think that changes the whole thing. You know? When he was provoked to deliver his message, when he saw the child crying. And well, the Pope is correct that sometimes we have to learn how to cry in order to clear those little things that actually happen our vision.
The Pope also served as his laborers in the name of public service. That's why media practitioners who were part of the papal visit coverage were also in attendance, including the People's Television Network.
Yung pinaka-importante is hindi lang yung coverage, no, but the visit itself. We will remember how he came to us, and we were very blessed to have him here in our country. And I think yung mga iwan niya dapat maalala natin at isabuhay natin.
She was not papal visit coverage last January, but USC Professor Emeritus Cristina Pantoja Hidalgo used her arts or the best gesture to immortalize the memory of the Pope. Hidalgo is part of the team which made this coffee table book possible.
But now, some months later, I was being given the opportunity to contribute in a small way, not to the event itself, but to the memory of it. And I was to do it in my capacity as an artist, as a writer.
Pope Francis is the third Pope who visited the University of Santo Tomas, considered the oldest university in Asia and the only pontifical university in the Philippines. For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.